What makes NFTs valuable and so valuable? Some of these NFTs are crazy, have crazy price tags. What makes them so valuable? What is it that some investors see in this that you might be missing? If you guys are interested, this is our NFT series. This is video 2 so far. I don't know how many we're going to be creating. If you guys don't know what an NFT is, I highly recommend you check out the first video in this series. It will be linked for you right here in the upper right-hand corner. But moving on, welcome to Crypto Tips. My name is Heidi. If you guys want to learn more about what Toby and I are doing with our cryptocurrencies on a far more personal level, we give access to our portfolio, trade alerts, and market updates to our CT Club members. If you want to join the CT Club, there's a link for you down below in the video description. So continuing on from the first conversation, the first video, is this question of why are NFTs so valuable? Obviously, they are collector's item. They are part of limited editions, but they're just a JPEG, right? Why are people spending hundreds of thousands, no, millions of dollars to purchase an NFT? What sets an NFT apart from other traditional collector's items is that NFTs are part of a blockchain. They are provably scarce. They are unable to be forged or faked or imitated. And furthermore, because they are, part of blockchain technology, your ownership over that NFT is immutable and permanent and publicly verifiable thanks to the blockchain. Another aspect to NFTs that makes them unique to more traditional collector's items, let's say Beanie Babies, because people love to compare NFTs to Beanie Babies, is that NFTs are digital. That means leveraging your value of your NFT is easier than ever. Furthermore, liquidity of NFTs makes them very easy to buy and sell. In fact, buying and selling NFTs can be done in seconds, whereas, trading in fine art or Beanie Babies, trying to find someone, to make that trade maybe in person or with that high value might be a much more time-consuming manner rather than if you're dealing with cryptocurrencies. Not to mention the fact that even if you are the buyer or the seller of these analog, more traditional collector's items, you'll need to usually hire a professional to authenticate the reality of this collection, of this item. Is it real? Has it been faked? Are you trying to be duped? Again, with NFTs on the blockchain, it is verifiable that it is authentic instantly. Not to mention the fact that even though the idea of NFTs has been around since the advent of blockchain technology, believe it, Hal Finney, the guy who received the very first Bitcoin transaction, he had ideas for NFTs or like digital collecting cards. Very similar idea. But only now, and there was also an implementation of CryptoKitties in 2017 that crashed the Ethereum network. So there was a hint of the potential for what an NFT could provide. But now we have a much better infrastructure for supporting the NFT marketplace. And there's multiple different blockchains that offer NFTs now. So the hype is really big. And with the hype is obviously speculation. And with speculation comes a lot of profits. How long those profits will stick around, how big those profits will go is yet to be seen. That's something that we are always paying attention to and something that you can learn as well if you keep watching these videos. That's going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful, hit the like button, hit subscribe, because this is only video 2 of a multi-video series in NFTs. So we're going to keep you posted. Until then, bye guys.